Hi, welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave. In this video we are going to show you the Xhorse Mini Prog, a much anticipated programming device. Now let's have a look at what you get inside the box. So inside the box you get a user manual. Gives you a very brief overview of the device, which is very nicely laid out and easy to understand. You've got a little QR code there for the Xhorse app. Let's have a little look at the device itself. So the device itself, it's a really good quality, sturdy design. On the top you have the LCD screen, you have the power button, you have a menu button, and you also have a little light button as well. So if I was to just turn the device on, as you can see, handy LED light. You got a start button at the back. When you boot up the device, you get the QR code to download the app, and it has the CE information and various other things on the back there. So if we have a little look at the actual end, now this has come loaded up ready with an Eprom adapter. As you can see, it's for the larger of the 8-legged Eproms. You can remove this and connect other connectors on, which I'll come to very shortly. So there we have it, is the Mini Prog device. If I just put that back on there, so that's all clicked into place nicely. Inside the box we also get a couple of spare heads. Now this one is for mini Eproms, such as, I say mini Eproms, normal 8-legged Eproms such as 24CO2 or 95320, and there's two versions, because depending on which type of Eprom you're trying to read, you see here it says number 3, here it says number 2, and on here it says number 1. So it'll actually, the app, the Xhorse app, will tell you exactly which one to use. You also have included in the box an Eprom adapter. So this Eprom adapter has the ZIF style connector, also has this connector which allows you to connect other Eprom clip devices, and it also allows you to solder an Eprom onto the board. As many of you will know, sometimes reading an Eprom in circuit is not as effective as reading it out of circuit. Within the box you also get a USB cable. It's got the USB-C connector, which is now considered industry standard, and the normal USB port. So this can connect onto your computer. On the device itself it has a USB port here, so that's what you'd use it for. You've got a few of these which help clean up the surfaces, and you also have the Xhorse cable. So now this cable is a 15-pin connector. Xhorse call it the DB15, and this end is what goes onto here. So with this device you can buy optional accessories which you would then connect this onto here, lock that into place, and connect your optional accessory onto that cable. So that's all you get within the box. As you can see, nothing else included, but it's a really good device, and in the next video we'll show you some of the functions of what you can use this device for. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and all products are available at autowave.co.uk.